What kind of bird is he? I'll be darned if I can tell. He obviously wants to stay close to the water. Guess who has finally spotted him? Keep an eye on him, aren't you, buddy? Yeah, he's gonna go hide in the bushes. Hang on. Where did it go, Poppy? Yeah, he's trying to get away from me. That's good. I want him to. Let's look at it from Poppy's point of view. What do you see, bud? This, by the way, is the pond. Not the lake, but the pond. We have two feeder ponds that go into the lake. Put the fish in here to baby fish, let them get up to a nice size, and then move them over to the lake. I don't know. What is it, Poppy? Are we going to let him go? Of course we are.